What's up guys, it's Ryan here with another video, and just like everyone else, I did shop on Black Friday. Unfortunately, I didn't get my package on time, but that's another story. What did I pick up, you might be wondering? Well, stick around, you're about to find out. It's no mystery that I'm always looking for ways to improve my setup. So what better way to do that than to pick up a Razer Core X? But wait a minute, I think I'm forgetting something. Oh, so I did pick up a Sapphire Radeon RX 580 to go with the Razer Core X. And guys, I'm so excited because these are two premium pieces of tech. Well, at least they are to me. I picked up the Razer Core X from Amazon for $295.99, just $5 cheaper than the regular price. I mean, I still save something. I was very happy with the packaging and the shipping of the Razer Core X. It was packaged pretty much in an unmarked box, and with all the theft and doorstep shopping that's going on, I must say I'm happy that they did that. I must commend Razer on being discreet with how they ship their products. Before choosing the RX 580, I did the necessary research and came to understand that the Sapphire Radeon RX 580 is a great graphics card to pair with the Razer Core X for 4K video editing as well as average gaming. Not that it matters a lot because we merely notice it, but the Sapphire Radeon RX 580 also posts a higher clock speed compared to the XFS and the Power Color version. The RX 580 was nicely packaged as well in this bright glossy red and black box. And when I opened it, the RX 580 was in bubble wrap waiting to be taken out. The Razer Core X unboxing was no different, as you were greeted with the instructions and a little box with the power card and Thunderbolt 3 card on top. As for the actual device, it was super protected in the box with foam padding on each end of the box. Putting them together was just as simple. All you have to do is open the Razer Core X by turning the lever at the back that looks like a handle. Yes guys, it's not a handle. It's a locking mechanism that serves to open and close the device. So word of advice, do not try to lift the device this way. You will definitely regret that. When you open the device and remove the GPU sizing guide, the PCIe slot will be visible. All you have to do is remove the slot cover at the back that is held in with a thumb screw, then insert the RX 580 in the PCIe slot, push down slightly, and it will snap into place. Replace the thumb screw, then connect one of the 8-pin connectors from the power supply. Slide the Razer Core X body back into the enclosure and you're all set. Plug the power cord into power, then connect the Thunderbolt 3 cable to your Mac, then to the eGPU. Make sure to turn on the eGPU power switch. Power on your Mac, go to the Apple sign in the top left hand corner, go to About This Mac, and here you can see that the Mac has already established a connection with the eGPU. Now for the fun stuff. Let's see how it does in Unigine. As you can see, I'm getting 60 frames a second at medium setting in 1080p. Smooth enough to play most games. Not gonna bore you guys with all this stuff, but I definitely want to let you know that export and render times in Final Cut Pro was significantly faster than before. So guys, I must say I'm very happy with this purchase, and this is definitely gonna be a quality element in my setup and one that I will most definitely utilize. So guys, leave a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, click the bell for future notification. Thanks for watching, and until next time, it's your boy Ryan here with Homeoftech. Peace.